I received this email from Upwork where I could apply for free for this job. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have a invitation to interview. The proposal for this job is to create an AI agent to assist with Simbro. The company is a plumbing company based in Australia. So what do they want? Well, they essentially just want a AI agent that can be voice activated for the tradesman on the road to produce invoices, quotes, job notes. And basically the workflow is very simple. The tradesman is on the road or at the job site and dictates to the AI agent, which then is processed and generates a draft in Simpro, which is their job management system. Pretty straightforward. They also want a confirmation back to the user that this has been read. They have their own templates, of course, but I applied for this job, but also thought to myself, there are a lot of people applying for these jobs on Upwork. Why not just create this tool and showcase it anyway? So that's what I'm going to do right now for this video. I'm going to create an AI agent tool that's going to manage this specific job posting proposal. I don't have access to Simpro, so instead of that, we're going to use Airtable as a placeholder. So how did I proceed to solve this job proposal? Well, first we need a workflow for this AI agent. So in this for this proposal, I'm going to use n8n, and I created this workflow. It starts off with a webhook where I received a voice recording, then code where then follows up with code where it's going to process the audio input from the audio data. Then we're using OpenAI and their model Whisper to convert that speech to text. Then we're going to have some code. We're going to extract that invoice data we need to extract the input from the tradesman on the job, and also to extract specific data points that ultimately is going to be saved to the Airtable. And then finally, just going to be a response to webhook. I've set up the Airtable with the kind of data we're going to use here. So let's take a look. We got data here. So here we got data, customer name, customer address, job description, material cost, labor hours, labor cost, and so on and so forth. But basically you can choose whatever input field or that you want to extract from the voice agent. So finally what we need now is an interface where that the user can speak into and have this voice agent work. So I created this very simple interface, basically using Lovable for this, and let's test it out then. I've chosen 3 document types as the proposal wished, and also sort of a system status that shows if this is actually being processed, so the tradesman on the job doesn't, knows that what they've inputted has been received, and just a very short instruction. So let's test it out with this this workflow. So I'm here at 22 Springfield Street in Brisbane with customer Sam Smith. The customer has a broken faucet, which I spent 1 hour on. Got $50 in material, and that is it for now. Moving on to the next customer. So we stop the recording, see the system status, managing this input. And it has been successfully sent. And now we can go back to Airtable and see what the input is here. Let's come in. Oh, here we go. Sam Smith, customer address, broken faucet. And yeah, that's essentially what you have, the entire input that you needed for this. Very straightforward. You can always build upon this, have more data if you want to. You can also have also create this invoice page where you can go into and check out, select the kind of information you want for the invoice, and sort of clean up the names of the different input categories, labor costs, so on and so forth, and create your own invoice here in Airtable. But I mean, obviously this is going to be connected to whatever management system you have, so they probably have templates for your invoice. But nonetheless, you can see very easily how this can be created for the user. So that's it for now. Thank you very much.